Azolla is a water-floating fern 1 to 1.5 centimeters long and triangular in appearance, consisting of roots, stems, and leaves. Azolla grows in symbiotic association with a blue-green algae Anabaena azole, a nitrogen-fixing organism. It is a promising supplementary green feed from the point of ease in cultivation, productivity, and its nutritive value. Azolla is a protein-rich green feed. Leucine, lysine, arginine, and valine are the predominant amino acids in Azolla, while tryptophan and sulfur-containing amino acids are deficient. It is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin B12, beta-carotene, growth-promoting intermediaries, bioactive compounds, and biopolymers, and it is well digested by livestock. The use of Azolla as a green feed for fish, swine, poultry, and cattle has been tested with favorable results. It can be used as a valuable green feed supplement along with crushed grain or bran, particularly under low-input livestock production system. This low-cost technology is easy to adopt, and that is the reason that it is gaining popularity among farmers. Generally, in places where land is subfertile or not suitable for crops, it could be grown there with ease. Azolla can be found in ditches, ponds, wetlands in warm temperate and tropical regions. It prefers shade and requires 30 to 50% light for photosynthesis. It requires 5 inches of water in pond for proper growth. Optimum temperature range is 20 to 35 degrees Celsius and relative humidity 80 to 90%. Temperatures above 36 degrees Celsius adversely affect its growth. Azolla requires water pH in the range of 5 to 7. It absorbs nutrients from water and phosphorus is most critical for its growth. Usually 20 to 25 ppm of phosphorus is optimum. It is also essential to supply micronutrients which could improve its multiplication and growth. Azolla can be grown in shallow ponds. These ponds can be made on the ground with polythene lining, or a cemented pond can be used for Azolla production. Nowadays, ready-made vermicomposting HDP ponds are available which can also be used for Azolla cultivation. Location should be close to water source and easily monitored on daily basis. A 6 by 4 feet wide pond is sufficient for a supply of 1 kg fresh Azolla every day. The pond should be covered with a net to avoid fall of leaves and other unwanted debris. This net also provides partial shade for the good growth of Azolla. Mix clean fertile soil with cow dung and water and spread across the pond. For 6 by 4 feet pond, apply fresh Azolla culture. Fill the pond with 5 to 6 inches of water. For better growth, apply 1 kg cow dung and 120 grams superphosphate once in 2 weeks. Remove any weeds from the ponds periodically. The pond should be emptied every 6 to 8 months and reculture should be started fresh water and Azolla culture. Generally, Azolla would be ready in 2 to 3 weeks after culture. Daily harvest of 1 kg fresh Azolla can be taken. It should be washed with clean water before feeding. Azolla can be fed directly or mixed with other feeds to animals. Excess quantity may be sun-dried and kept for future use. Azolla has been found to reduce feed costs and also to increase milk yield and quality. Generally, the cost of Azolla pond is 2 to 3,000 rupees. A farmer can get a net profit of rupees 10,000 per year from Azolla cultivation.
ಅಜ್ವಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿಂದ ಹಸುನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲಾಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಹಾಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಅಜ್ವಾಲ ಬಳಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮು 1 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಹಾಲು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಂಜೆ ಟೈಮು 3/4 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಹಾಲು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 1/3 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಹಾಲು ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡೈಲಿ ನಮಗೆ.
For further details, please contact Dr. Giridhar K. girikanu@gmail.com, Dr. Letha Devi G. letaayur@gmail.com.